In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize keyboard shortcuts in Affinity Photo. Custom shortcuts can speed up your workflow dramatically, and Affinity Photo makes it straightforward to tailor the keys to the way you work. Let's start by opening the Preferences. On Windows, go up to the Edit menu and choose Settings. On Mac, click the Affinity Photo menu and select Preferences. Once the window opens, head to the Shortcuts tab. This is where all keyboard mappings live, organized so you can find and change them easily. At the top, you'll see a drop-down for personas. Personas are different workspaces inside Affinity Photo, like Photo and Liquify, each focused on different tasks. Choose the persona you want to customize so your changes apply exactly where you need them. Next, use the second drop-down to pick the type of command you want to modify. You can switch between tools, menu items, filters, and more. This filter helps narrow the list so you're not scrolling through everything at once. In the list below, locate the exact command you want to change. When you've found it, click in the box next to it where the current shortcut is displayed. Now, press the key combination you want to assign. Keep an eye out for conflict warnings. Affinity will let you know if the combo you chose is already in use, so you can quickly pick something else. A practical tip here: choose shortcuts that fit your muscle memory and try to keep them consistent across personas. Also, avoid keys that are commonly reserved by your operating system, like quitting or system-level actions, to prevent unexpected behavior. If you decide a command shouldn't have a shortcut at all, you can remove it by clicking the small crosshair icon next to that command. That clears the assignment without affecting anything else. When you're happy with your layout, consider saving your custom set for reuse or sharing. You can export your shortcuts as a .af shortcuts file, which is handy for backing up your setup or moving it to another machine. Give the file a clear name so you can recognize it later. When you're done, simply close the Preferences window. Your new shortcuts take effect right away. Try them immediately on a few common tasks to make sure they feel natural. With a little tuning, you'll shave seconds off every action, and those seconds add up quickly over a full project. That's it. Clean, quick, and tailored to you. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your faster, more personalized Affinity Photo workflow.